Hello folks, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to change the SIM card in a gsm-q that's in a HKC quantum alarm. Now the gsm-q could also be in a HKC 1070, so the process is similar. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open the lid of the main control panel. So there's two flaps here and here. And underneath the flaps there are screws. Okay, so the first thing to do is open those screws. So the control panel starts to beep because it's a tamper, but never mind that. So when we open the lid, I'm just going to put the code in.
System unset. Panel main.
Here's the gsm-q. So the gsm-q is like a plug-on printed circuit board that's plugged onto the larger printed circuit board, and in it is a SIM card. You can see the SIM card there. It's in a slot. So I'm going to remove the SIM card, but first I'm going to power down the system. Okay, so to power down the system you have to disconnect the battery and the mains. So to disconnect the mains you pull this lead. See this lead here? So I'm going to pull that off. And to disconnect the battery I'm going to pull this lead, which is connected to this battery pack. So just pull that off. So now the control panel has gone dead. Now at this stage, if this alarm had an external siren connected to it, the external siren would start to ring, but you can ignore that because this is only going to take a second. So here's the SIM card. So to remove the SIM card, we press it there and it makes a click, so you can slide it out. Okay, so if you were going to change the SIM card and put a new SIM in, you put it in exactly the same way. As you can see, one corner has been cut off, so you put that in. That goes first and on the bottom, and you slide that in. So if you're installing a new SIM card, you put it in and you click it so it presses in. So now I'm going to put the power back on. So I'll reconnect my battery and I'll reconnect the mains. Okay, so it'll register the new SIM card now. It'll pick it up, and now I can put back on my screws. Now the control panel is powering back up at the moment, and the first thing you're going to have to do is put in the code to disarm it. Now it asks for the time because it's lost the time and the date, so we'll say today is the 4th of the 10th 14, and the time is 15:15.
4th October 15:15.
Okay. And that's it.
System unset. Panel mains.
Now
Full.
I'm going to enter engineer mode 4567, followed by the user code, which in this case is 4 ones. And I'm going to press next until I get to the comms menu, and I'm going to press yes, and then communicators, yes. So I have different types of communicators, but in this case it's a GSM-GPRS module, so I'm going to press yes to that, and then it'll say enable GSM, so I'm going to press yes. So now I've enabled the GSM, the plug-on module with the SIM card, and the status, if I press yes, it will tell me what sort of signal I had. I can press next if I wanted to disable it once again. Okay, so that's it.